Okay, this is 8544 Natal Avenue, Mesa, Arizona, 85259. This is the outside backyard. So this is where the air conditioner is at, pool equipment is at, landscaping. This is called a Pebble Tech pool. Real easy to maintain. We've had some wind come through here, so we've got some floaters in there, but it's got some landscaping, nice pool cleaner. The property does come with pool maintenance. We as the owners are responsible. We assume that responsibility so you don't have to. And we have a contract with individuals who will come out and clean the pool weekly during the summer. And then it's, I think, bi-weekly, monthly in the wintertime when there's not much use happening. Mesquite trees just freshly trimmed. Lemon tree actually does have lemons on it. Yeah, I'm gonna pick one right there, fresh lemons. Now, this is has RV parking. However, there are restrictions. This wall here is about 6.5 feet tall. So if you have a trailer that is below, or a car that is below the height of the wall, you can park back here. This is called RV parking, but anything that goes above the wall, the HOA will send a notice, and there's a $50 fine, and there's no getting around it. So we just got to let you know that. But there's some garden beds here that are ran. If you want to do some gardening, you certainly can. Again, we've got a little fence back here for the kids. The prior tenant, current tenant, put that up. And there are pool handles for the door for kids, and they're on both. It's code. They're on both sides, so you can see you've got 1, 2, 3. That very top one is a pool safety handle, and our insurance company makes us have that on there. And then there's a doggy door. I'm not sure what size dogs you have, but this is it. So this is our property here at 8544 East Natal Avenue, Mesa, Arizona, 85209. Hope this is informational and helps you out in making a decision. Thank you so much. We love our property. Bye-bye.